It's Wednesday, and welcome back to Sifx Daily Financial News. We're here to bring you the latest headlines, key insights, and actionable analysis to keep you on track through the week. Don't miss out. Subscribe and explore more at cfx.com for comprehensive coverage and tools designed to support your trading strategy. And in today's stock market news, Wall Street closed lower yesterday as losses in the tech sector offset gains in communication services. Investors are playing the waiting game ahead of key inflation reports this week, including the Consumer Price Index and Producer Price Index. Analysts predict headline inflation to rise slightly to 2.7% for November, a key factor that may influence the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision next week. The S&P 500 lost 0.3%, the Dow dropped 0.35%, and the Nasdaq fell 0.25%. Communication services led gains, with Alphabet shares rallying 5.6% after unveiling a new chip, while real estate and technology sectors saw declines. And in Forex news, the US dollar steadied after touching a one-week high. Traders are eyeing inflation data closely, with a 25 basis point rate cut by the Federal Reserve expected next week. Meanwhile, the Canadian dollar remains near a 4.5-year low, as traders anticipate a potential 50 basis point cut from the Bank of Canada. The euro is holding steady, while the Australian dollar dipped following dovish comments from the Reserve Bank of Australia. Over in Asia, markets are treading cautiously. Japan's Nikkei fell 0.4%, while MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares remained flat. Hong Kong and China saw limited movement after earlier gains faded. Investors are also keeping an eye on China's closed-door Central Economic Work Conference this week, as any significant policy announcements could impact global markets. In corporate news, Walgreens Boots Alliance surged 17.7% on acquisition talks, while Alaska Airlines jumped 13% after raising its profit forecast. On the downside, Oracle shares tumbled 6.7% after disappointing quarterly results, and Moderna dropped 9.1% following a downgraded rating by Bank of America. In the mid-cap space, Toll Brothers fell nearly 7% despite exceeding quarterly expectations, as its future forecast disappointed investors. And wrapping up with commodities, gold prices hit a two-week high at $2,698 per ounce, buoyed by expectations of a Fed rate cut and geopolitical tensions. Meanwhile, oil prices saw modest gains, with Brent crude up to $72.55 a barrel. Traders are optimistic about increased demand from China following its announcement of a looser monetary policy for 2025. However, rising US crude and fuel stocks may temper further gains. That's it for today's market recap. If you enjoyed today's insights, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and make sure to subscribe for more daily updates. We'll be back tomorrow to keep you informed and empowered. Have a fantastic day.